are getting this Sunday walk in before it gets too hot. I already am regretting this sweatshirt because it's pretty warm. This is a creek bed along here, and I used to play in that growing up. I still live on the same street that I grew up on. So, a lot of memories in this creek bed. A lot of adventures. We used to play Stand By Me. Like we'd pretend we were in the movie Stand By Me.
True reality, 'cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to.
Alright, I am off to my dad's. Got his pancakes. I actually brought some plates from his house so that I could plate them at my house. It just makes things a little more efficient. I'm off to his house to give him breakfast. Then I have to get ready, so I'll probably show you guys a little bit of that. I'm gonna do a little prepping for the week just to kind of get organized. I'm gonna organize a few things in out of my makeup and stuff. I got some little organizers, so I'll show you guys that. So I have a few kind of different things to show you today. I'm gonna make, this week on the meal plan is Mediterranean wraps. So not a falafel salad, but similar, but a little bit different. So I'll be showing you guys that as well. So thank you for joining me on another vlog, and let's just get this day going.
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to.
Well, fed my dad. He didn't really want to eat today, which is a little concerning. I just wanted to let you guys know that it's not all rainbows and butterflies when you are caring for a sick parent. I mean, I know on social media it could come across, oh, how cute, you know, she makes pancakes and walks down to her dad's house. And if you're a caregiver, you get it. It's challenging and an emotional roller coaster. So I never want to be inauthentic with you guys and act like it's just peaches and cream, because it's not. Anyways, I'm walking back home and I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for the day.
You don't have to. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of.
All right, so I got ready. Got my hair oil in. I love my hair oil. Anyways, I am ready, setting up for the podcast. I think I'm gonna go make myself a protein shake because I'm craving it, which is so weird. As I usually think I'm gonna make myself a protein shake, and we're gonna record the podcast here in a little bit. What did I want to show you guys? Oh, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this. This is the perfume I wear only. It's a daytime scent. It's called Vacation. It is a daytime scent, summertime only, because it literally smells like vacation. Like, it couldn't be more perfect. If you want a scent to take with you on vacation so that it always reminds you of your vacations, this is it. Now, I'm not going on any vacations, but this is what I'm doing in lieu of vacations. But we will not be doing any traveling with my dad ill. So, anyways, I'll link this. You can get it at Ulta. You can also get it on Amazon. I use all of their products for sunscreen because they all kind of coincide, but the scent is just amazing. It is a huge shake. It's 250 calories and 38 grams of protein. And it's like 2 full cupfuls. I mean, the fat-free Fairlife, 1 cup, ice, and a scoop of the protein powder, a little bit of vanilla extract, and some liquid stevia. It's so good. Literally delicious. I really don't usually drink my protein, but I need to get a couple more tubs of this protein powder before it's gone because it is delicious. Mike is over here making his breakfast. Protein, pancakes,
Shake.
shake.
You get a cup.
Big old cup. Oh, you're getting
I'll do this one. I'll let the big boy alone today.
All right, you guys, I got some packages on Sunday, but I'm going to be doing a haul, like a try-on haul later this week. So you'll want to tune into that, but I'll show little comfy, just gray. Oh, these look super comfy. Might have to throw those on today, but yeah. Okay, are you guys the type that gets something new and have to wear it immediately? Because I will be wearing these for the rest of the day. They're so comfortable. They're soft. Pockets. Poor guy. He's blind. But he's still found his way in here. Huh. You came in here to see me. Yeah, you can lie down on the bed. Good boy. Charles, stop. Don't be jealous. Good boy. Okay, so I got these little storage bins, and what I want to do is organize like my, first off, Lashify. Charles, stop. Leave him alone. Charles keeps growling at him because Rocky keeps bumping into Charles because he can't see him, and it's just constant. Charles, stop. Okay, so anyways, I want... Let me see what I got. I got these little bins. They are the Home Edit, which is like most of the stuff that I get from the Container Stores, from the Home Edit collection. And I want to do like my makeup and beauty product like backstock, and I wanted to organize my lashes in here. So I ended up being able to fit it right here, which this is just like some office stuff. One of these days I'll split my office and the closet, but right now this is an office and beauty room. So this is kind of like the lotions that I use daily, and that's backstock. This is my lashes, my nail polish is back there, and then that's my makeup backstock. So it's a little better. Did a little organizing in my fridge, completely cleaned it out. These are all the proteins, veggies. Have more storage here now for cans. I always have fruits ready to go, but I'm ready for a successful
Ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. You don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Okay, so I chopped up the chicken really small, kind of like they have, similar to like what you would get at Chipotle. So I chopped that up really small. This is the lavash bread that I'm using. It is from Trader Joe's, and this is what's everything's gonna go inside of there, and then I'm gonna wrap it up and cut it in half. I'm going to put a couple of these in the air fryer. These are just the regular old frozen falafel balls from Trader Joe's. That's what they look like. These are the absolute best pita chips. They're Good and Gather brand from Target. They're so good. It's huge. This will be very filling. All right, so that shawarma wrap, I ate it. Right, by the way, I just ate it. It is so good, so filling. I'm gonna put the macros up on the screen for it. I'm gonna be having that all week long. Oh, so good. So obviously this wasn't a full day of eating because I didn't show you guys everything that I ate today. But I am also going to just finish off the day with like a little cookie because I had enough protein. So when I meet my protein goal and I still have calories left, I can have anything I want, like a little treat, a cookie. I don't have to have anything with protein in it. So I'm gonna bake one of those birthday cake cookies and I'm just gonna enjoy this and watch a little TV, watch my face wind down. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to this vlog. If you like what you see, comment and let me know what you want to see more of. Let me know if you have any questions. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on next week's vlog.